Alright guys, so today I'm going to be taking you guys out to designing a cosmetic package design like this, either for yourself or for your company, and as you know, with your phone. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is clear this. Okay, delete. Then you change the background color for this. Now alright, I think this should be around, hold on please, let me check for the color. Okay, so this is the color we are going to use, F6C753, and this, then you click on OK. It's going to give you this color, so you can use your own color. Okay, and, please I want you guys to be following the dots on my screen. Can you see? That's what you guys should be following. Now for everything I use there, you know, for both image, every other thing, text, you should, if you are branding for a company, you should get a celeb that's going to use the picture that's going to, you know, do it for you. Those pictures you need on the picture on your cosmetic design. But here I'm going to be using my picture just like you saw in the picture. So let's get started. So you use the picture size. The next thing, you enter your text. So the next thing, you enter a shape. Okay, I'm going to show you the color code as well. You need to make use of the color code. So here's the color code for this 5333649. 5333649. That's the color code you are going to use to get this color. Don't forget, you can use your own color. So after this, I want to make this edge of my picture to, you know, to be a little blur and correspond with the background. So what do? Click on your shape again, pick the same color, reduce the size, then the stroke to the full width, stroke color as well, the same color, then the blur radius, you increase it, and okay. So can you see? You can reduce the size. I think you are good. So don't forget to pin everything. Okay, then save as image. And if you are saving as image, please try and save with a high quality using Ultra. That's going to save you. So we are going to on to the next app, which is PicArt. Okay, so I'm just going to load my PicArt. Okay, you come down to that color background and you pick white. So now for you to get this image, let me show you. Now just go to Google, you see this plastic cosmetic jar mockup. This is the same thing. These are the image I'm going to use. Okay, so just come down to add photo, then scroll to where you have a picture. Okay, I have this. Let me start with this. Now you crop out the side. I actually had a problem when I wanted to save it, so it was not saving, so I have to screenshot. That's why you are seeing. In your own case, you might not need to screenshot. Okay. Now the first thing you need to do after enlarging is reduce the brightness of it. Oh, sorry. This card. You need to use a picture without a background. I think I removed the background already. So let me check it out. Okay. Make sure it doesn't have any background. Alright, so scroll down to adjust. Decrease it to 55 to 60. Yeah. Okay. Now, next thing you have, make sure you click that mark icon. You add another photo. Now you are going to add this picture. Now this is the picture we want to put on our stuff. So I'm just going to crop out this side. Okay. Alright, so just overlay and reduce the size a little bit. Okay. Just try and alright, I think it's good like this. So there's an a need for amendment there. You see this cover, the yellow color is showing on the cover and we don't want it there. So what do? Click on your image. You see this eraser icon here, click on it, then you clear this side off. In case you are using this same stuff I'm using here, you have to clear it. Can you see? Alright. So that is that. Then you click on the mark icon, you add another photo again. Okay, and you come back to PixelLab. You can just save this if you like. I have it already, so I don't think I need to save it. But better still, I'll just clean everything, finish down, then come back to change the color. Yeah, to the your text color, you need to save it. So you save as image as well. You can just save with anything. Now my image is saved. So let me come back here. Now you add the color, increase. You only need this color for the cover. So now we have it. So you come back to blend again, blend, overlay. Now the overlay will cover it. Can you see now? Cover the edges all around. Now we need to do the same thing. The pop color is kind of showing on the yellow stuff as well, so we need to clear it out as just be very gentle and very careful while doing this. Okay. Alright, so we have this. You click on the mark icon and you are good. Click on this. Okay, so our image is there already. Then come back, click on draw. You click on these 3 dots and you save image. Okay, so that's for the first one. Come here and erase everything, discard, start again. Now add photo. Okay. I think this is the second one. You crop it out. I only need this side. Increase size. Okay. So you come to adjust, decrease the color, the brightness. Then add another photo. Don't forget to always crop this side. You only need a little part of it to show on the. Okay, so you rotate, enlarge. Alright, so you go to blend again, overlay as usual, and this is not going to show your face very well, but let's assume I actually decrease the size of my picture there. It's going to show my face fully, but since that's why I don't have to rush. I'm just taking this very fast because I'm recording, and just take your time to do everything. And as I always say, please watch the video before you practice. Watch everything before you practice. Okay, so come back to blend, overlay. Okay, you see we have our cover already. Okay, so add another photo, same. I want to add it to this. Okay, then blend, overlay. So we are good to go. Then save. Okay, you come back to draw, create image, save image, and you are good to go. Okay, so that's it. The last one I did, you add photo again. It depends on the number of what you want to do. So you get. I'm just going to activate just the way you saw on my phone the other time. Okay, so increase the size, then adjust. Don't always forget to adjust. If you forget to adjust, this bottle will be very light and your image will not show very well on it, and I'm very sure you don't like that, right? So add photo again. Okay, so to blend again, overlay, then try and adjust your stuff. Okay, so that's that, and for the last one, this, then blend, overlay, and yeah, you are good to go. You save your picture, draw, save image. So that's it. So you just have to come back to your PixelLab again and you make the arrangement. You know how to go about other stuff. So now everything is set already. All you just have to do is pack in your images and everything, and you are good to go. Don't forget, you need to get a result like this. All you have to do is to input the image, add a shadow, and the likes. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the like button if you found this video very helpful. See you next time.